Hi, my name is Paulami and thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today I'm going to be making a chicken kofta curry. Now chicken kofta literally stands for meatballs made out of minced chicken. I am along with Dexter, my cat, who is trying to hunt something from the window. I don't know what, but he is going to be on a guest appearance for the day. Okay, so to start with this recipe, we need minced chicken, of course, but we're going to make a spice mix which will get into the minced chicken, and then we shallow fry this, or you can also let it cool down and then add it directly to the gravy or to the curry. For that we need one small onion, a 2 centimeter of ginger cube, and 2 cloves of garlic and a green chilli. That's about it. So we need all of that. We make a smooth paste of that, and then we add that to our minced chicken. So there you go. I haven't really made a smooth paste, but then don't want to get chunks of onion in it. That's why 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. So I've kept 50 grams of plain flour on the side. I will add half a teaspoon of salt. We don't need a lot because we would be adding it to the main curry, and then the meatballs will absorb all the flavors from it. It looks a little loose, so I might have to add 50 or maybe 20 grams of the flour. Not a lot. We don't want to taste the flour, but rather taste the chicken. So there you go. We have made around 10 meatballs or koftas, which we will just shallow fry them before making the main curry. So to start with this dish, we've taken a not very big pan because we only have 10 meatballs to go ahead and fry. I would add maybe 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, which will not just shallow fry these, but also be enough for the rest of the dish. And our friend Dexter is trying to still chase something, I don't know what. So you want to see this brown color that you can see on the skin is what you want. There we go. We have all our koftas ready. This is how they look like. Nice slight brownish on the edges, and that's perfect. That is how we want them to be. So what we do now is go ahead and add 1 large onion. You have to cook these onions till they are golden brown. That will take us 5 to 7 minutes. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of salt because we have half teaspoon in the chicken mince. And then we add our powdered spices. I'm adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri Red chilli powder. So this will just make it very bright red in color, but not very spicy. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. At this stage, if you like to have extra tang in your dish, you can add chopped tomatoes or tomato paste. I will be using yogurt. So if you see, the yogurt has started releasing these beautiful oil on the edges, and there you go. But if you are letting your meatballs or the koftas sit in the fridge instead of shallow frying them, this is the stage where you take them out and add them to your curry so that they can actually absorb all the spices plus get firmed up. Let it simmer for the next 10 minutes and then we would add our meatballs or the koftas directly in them. So it's been 10 minutes that we've let this simmer, and if you see, it looks gorgeous. So what we do now is we add our koftas. I would add half a teaspoon of garam masala. We have to let these koftas boil in them for a good another 10 minutes and then we're done. So I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of the flour, the chickpea flour, and this will bring in a nice thickness to the gravy. So ensure that there are no lumps after you add the chickpea flour, else it looks really funny with the lumps in there. So there you go. Our chicken kofta is done. Do you see how beautiful this color is? It's so gorgeous, and I will just finish this with a little bit of coriander leaves to bring in some extra freshness. Something very important to remember is that the koftas will absorb a lot of the liquid from the curry, and that would make the curry super dry. So you might not really have anything left when you want to scoop it up with your naan or your pulao. And that's why if you plan to eat it the same day, then you make it, or you make the koftas, keep them separate and the curry separate, and then mix them the day you want to eat it. So I hope you like this recipe. I'm going to give this a taste test. I can't believe how soft the koftas are. Really hope you give this dish a try and let me know how it turns out at your end. If you like this recipe, don't leave this video without giving me a like. A comment down below if you give this recipe a try with some another type of minced meat or with chicken and you add something different. So let me know so that I can give it a try as well. And subscribe to my channel for more such videos in the future. I hope you have a really amazing spice-filled day. Till I see you all again with another video. Take care and bye.